And what that is a rubber ceiling fan. So that is a testing view, and what it is a testing and a quick that well they take it to super every robot floor. Let's start this one. There they go. And then what they see this they take it this heavy wobbling, and what they see this, and what this rubber heavy duty strong more. They're gonna take it this own it on this buy as a kit. So oh yeah, so they see this in the every rubber, this every rubber more housing, and when they see this the high heavy duty strong motor, and what they see this affiliated few this the selector switch of this every rubber, and let's see that it was this the rubber see by this quick test debut.